Aloha, Sanbano. My name is Atuntoya Tumusuk. Today I'm presenting for a Mongolian chapter. So I am a student of BYU Hawaii, and this semester I am able to serve Mongolian chapter president. And today I'm going to introduce our history and along with our main dishes. Mongolia is located between China and Russia and very northern side of the earth. So in here, Mongolia is very cold. And that's why our main dishes are mostly provide us to be healthy in that country to survive. Today our dishes is Mongolian traditional barbecue, and we are cooking with the hot rocks. So along with, we are really good at cooking meats, and I hope you guys enjoy our meal today, and along with taste our history. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Kanchudur. I'm from Mongolia. I'm Vice President of Mongolian chapter. My major is supply chain. This is my graduating semester. I'm pretty excited. Thank you.
Aloha, this is Tauka. I'm from Mongolia. I'm the Vice President of Mongolian Club at BYU Hawaii. My major is Hospitality Tourism Management. Today we're gonna introduce our traditional food. Thank you.
Okay, before we start, I will introduce you a little bit about this dish. Before we cook the food, we need to heat the stone on a grill or fire. Actually, this food is all about the stone. It makes this dish more delicious. Also, if you handle this stone, it helps you to relieve your stress and fatigue, and it helps you to relax. Okay, you already know the first step, right? You need to heat the stone on the fire or grill. And second step is you need an instant pot. We usually cook this food on the fire, but since we don't have a fire, we're not able to cook it outside. We can use the instant pot. So basically, the main ingredients are lamb meat. You can choose any part of the lamb. And you need the potatoes, carrots, asparagus, lettuce, and green onion, and garlic chips. The main ingredients of this food is, of course, stone. Don't forget it. While you are heating the stone, you need to cut all your meats. You can cut it with your favorite size. It doesn't have to be a big or small. You can choose the size. It's very simple. So basically, you heat the instant pot and add the meat and add some garlics and onions. Then you need to add the very hot stone on the top of the meat. Actually, basically, you need to make layers like meat, veggies, stone, meat, veggies, stone. Then you need to cook it on meat stew part. And about 40 minutes, your dish is gonna be ready. When your food is ready, you will have delicious soup, and you will have very tender, juicy meat on your plate. Okay, let's try it out. Dauka will show you how juicy it is, how tender it is. Basically, he's gonna cut the meat.
Thank you, Hannah. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to cut and prepare the main part of this dish. This meat falls off from the bone. Okay? And this meat too. This is very tender, soft, and smells beautiful. This looks like very yummy. Let me put some onions from here. Okay, let's test it. We need the soup. So take the chopped meat and of course garlic and dip it. So good. This meat is very delicious. You can cook it at your home. Thank you.
Okay, let's taste our food. Let's dip our meat to the soup. We usually eat it like that. Okay. Super good. You really need to try it at your home. This soup, a little bit sweet and salty, but it goes super well with the meat. Okay, let's try our wedges. So soft. This is super good Mongolian dish. You should definitely try it at home. Okay, let's invite our friend Tevna. She will teach you how to make Mongolian dessert. Thank you so much.
Aloha everyone, my name is Tevna. I'm from Mongolia. Today I would love to show you how to make an oven dessert. Traditionally in Mongolian people eat yogurt as a dessert. Making organic yogurt at home, it's not a difficult, but it's time consuming. I'll show you how to make a yogurt at home. What we need is, we need whole milk. Then we also need a little yogurt. So first step is you can heat it up the milk in the pot in the medium temperature in a few minutes. And then you can test it if it's warm, and then you can prepare the yogurt on the bowl and then add the milk on the top. After that, make sure to cover by the plastic wrap or any other thing, and then keep it in a warm place. Or you can keep it in the microwave, and it takes 5 to 8 hours. After that, you will see very thick and creamy organic yogurt. Then you can decor anything you would like to have on your table. This is yogurt, I made it. So I'm gonna show you that how thick it is and how delicious it is. So first, I like to eat oat milk in the morning. So I'm gonna pour this oat milk on my cup. Just a little bit, and then add the yogurt on it. Oh, this is so yummy, very thick and creamy. So I like raspberry and bananas for my breakfast, and berries. So a little bit honey on the top. It's very healthy. Everything I used is organic. So I also like the mint here. Let's try yogurt, how it tastes like. It looks yummy. Thank you for watching our videos today. We hope you to try these 2 dishes at your home and let us know how it tastes like. Hashtag us down below. Thank you.